$165 worth of groceries look like. So we got some raw chicken, chicken breast, 2 things of bacon, toasted strudels, Parmesan cheese, sausages already cooked, Simply Lemonade, Simply Peach, Minute Maid Lemonade, Minute Maid Peach Punch, some Caesar salad, oatmeal, butter, oat butter, grapes, tomatoes, parsley, heavy whipping cream, minced garlics. We have garlic bread, nuts, and that. Have 4 boxes of cereal. And then we got orange juice, 5 bags of chips, 2 things of chicken wings, broccoli, panini noodles, shrimp, and garlic powder. And we got some ice cream.